Hi guys, it's Shani here. Today we are at Goodwill because we are going to be shopping for Halloween costumes. I'm so excited. If anyone knows, Halloween is my favorite holiday because I just love dressing up. I love having fun with my clothes. I love playing around with my makeup, and that's why we're here today. We're going to look for some fun costumes for the holiday. I'm currently going to look for some witch costumes, maybe a scarecrow costume, and just other finds that we can see here for the rest of the month. Not only do they have a section for Halloween costumes, but the whole store is a Halloween store. You can look in the skirt section for a cute skirt to match your Halloween look. They even have brand new accessories here to finalize your look, so it's perfect here. Also, you can feel good about every purchase because all of the proceeds go back to our local communities to help people find jobs.
Let's see this mess.
Okay guys, let's go shopping. So many options, even like Christmas. Mira. Thrifting for Halloween costumes. What should I look for? Cheetah, if there's nothing, it could be a cheetah. Is this cheetah pattern? So, as many of you know, I played Mirabelle at Disneyland. So, this has a close place in my heart. My sister and I found costumes that could be Dolores or Mirabelle, so we found this really pretty shirt with all these colors. Like Mirabelle, she made her like stuff, so like this can be something like that, or you can make the butterfly and like clip it on here. Imagine a butterfly on this. And then to match is with the skirt. I think this is pretty good. I picked this out myself. All you need is the green glasses. Thank goodness I already have a pair. And then now we have Dolores's, which my sister picked out, and it's really good. So there's this really cute skirt and this really cute top. All you need is a red scarf to put your hair up, and then you need to be a chismosa. Nisha, bro. That looks just like Dolores' skirt, dude. Should I do it like that? Have Selena. My sister thought this one was really good too. She picked out this bustier with all these little pearls and flowers, and then we picked out this hat in the little accessories section because Selena wore cute hats like that. All you need is like a tight pair of pants and some boots and your dances. Good picks all around. Okay, this one is a witch outfit. I like it because you can wear it as a regular outfit, and then like if you gotta go to a Halloween party after, you just slap on the hat, and I think it's perfect. You just tuck in this button up. I also found this skirt. It's a longer version, and I think it would probably fit better because they're the same like fabric. Next outfit. Okay, next costumes. If you don't want to get too crazy, you can always get a little cute dress like this. This is so cute. You could either be the new girl or you could be a ladybug. Some ladybug ears. This is really cute too. It's like a baby doll dress. And you can add some cheetah ears and some little whiskers. I think that would be good too. And this Harry Potter scarf that I'm gonna purchase for myself, for my personal collection. I look like Harold Potter right now. Let's pull out the next outfit. Oh, I love this one, but I'm sad because I know it could be better. So I found this really cool like distressed top in the top section, and it reminds me of Sally from The Nightmare Before Christmas because it has the green and the pink, and it looks like it was like handmade, kind of like her because she's kind of like a doll. Nisha was making fun of me, but there's nothing to make fun of. These are just stuff that I found that I really like. But I was like, they could be Halloween costumes too, and let me show you. You could be Aurora from Sleeping Beauty, and you could be like a lollipop. These are all my Halloween costumes, guys. So here is the first costume. I just paired it with a pair of jeans, a denim jacket, a hat, some red lipstick, and of course the bustier. I really love this one, and I really like that if I don't feel comfortable showing my body too much, I'm able to put on a denim jacket. The bustier is perfect, and I think I killed this outfit, but let me know what you guys think. Now the second one is of course Mirabelle. Actually, one of the other Mirabelles made this butterfly for me, so I just glued it onto the shirt, and I think it looked really good. And I just paired it with my Guatemala bag, and I put Mirabelle in my bag. What do you guys think? The next outfit is, of course, Harold Potter. I wore this one on my podcast, but I think I really killed it. It's a super simple, easy look. I got really lucky with the scarf, but let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. That is it for my thrift video. I hope you enjoyed my outfits that I picked out. Make sure to follow Goodwill SoCal and make sure to check the description box below because I'm gonna be having a giveaway with Goodwill. So check that out and check out my Instagram so you can see all the rules. Bye.